You are watching for the greater good.
Today we learn how to find O notation of multiplication of two matrices using tabular method. Before we begin, we will see what is happening in this algorithm. This algorithm is for two matrices of n by n order which are being multiplied. Let's take the value of n to be 2. We will initialize matrix C with zeros of order 2 by 2. And as the program iterates through the values of I, j and k, it will store the resultant in matrix C. Now, as you guys are familiar with the algorithm, we will find out the O notation using tabular method.